How to perform Salatul Kusuf, prayer during a solar eclipse. Salatul Kusuf is a special prayer offered during a solar eclipse. It consists of two rakahs, each containing two ruku, bowings, instead of the usual one. The prayer should be followed by a short sermon to seek Allah's protection and forgiveness. There are two ruku in each rakah. After the niyyah and the takbir at-tahrima, you stand and recite Surah Al-Fatiha, followed by another surah. Then you go into ruku. After the ruku, you stand again, recite Surah Al-Fatiha, and then recite another surah. Afterward, go into ruku again, then stand saying Sami Allahu liman hamida, and proceed into sujood. Similarly, perform the second rakah. In such circumstances, the increased number of ruku during the solar and lunar eclipses is a manifestation of humility before Allah the Almighty. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, taught us to pray this way.